Muy buenas tardes, mis amigos. This is K&B remodeling. You can see the pergola and the railing wood fence are done. My clients asked me to paint those black because I did put that one black. So these are done. This is the pergola, the drain, the gutter drain line. It's a brand new. Also the facial wood. Okay. Now this little patio, it's not a little patio, it's like 20 feet long by 16. Look, so you can see the step is done, including the little molding that it was done. You can see it right here. Also this one. Okay, so this is K&B remodeling and general construction. So look, it's done. My guys, they just put back the furniture. I was supposed to be done, like long time ago, but I've been doing another job, the ADU, another little jobs. See, my client, she's really pleased, because this is a gorgeous that's what she said to me. First of all, this design is like it's always, you're gonna see this design on by Redondo Beach, Manhattan Beach, Santa Monica, by the houses. You're gonna see painted white. Now that it's only varnish, it's even more nicer. Look, that's the design. Every 3.5 inches, so you can see. Okay. This is K&B remodeling and general construction. Okay, I did this one today, the whole thing. I mean the step and the little bar spacer. Okay, mis amigos, you can see right here. See? Okay, this is the wood that I didn't use, but I'm gonna pick that up another day, because she wants me to do this brand new door. Okay, brand new door. So I'm gonna do a custom made. Okay, mis amigos, K&B remodeling from Manuel Cibrian. Okay, bye.